All right, Year 7, welcome to Show Me. Well, it's not Show Me. Welcome to adding and subtracting negative integers, okay? So remember what integers are. They're positive and negative whole numbers and also including 0. So anything that you see in a number line, something that's not an integer, is a half because it's not a whole number, okay? Today's learning goal is to understand how to use the number line when adding and subtracting integers. All right, so make sure you've got that written down. Okay, let's go straight to the examples. If you haven't written that down, pause it, write it down, and we'll move on. All right, so I've got a number line here. Hopefully you have one in your classroom. And this is going to help us answer these questions that we're doing today. Now, I want to explain to you what beautiful working out is. And beautiful working out is actually writing the question in your book. So I'm going to rewrite this question. 5 plus negative 3. Okay. Now, to do these questions, the first thing we have to do is put our starting point. So our starting point is what is the first number. So it's number 5 because it's there. Okay. Now, it's got two things. It says plus negative 3. When we have a plus and a negative, that means the whole thing will be negative, okay? See how it's different? See how there's two different ones? So that means it's going to be negative. If we're going negative, we're going this way on the number line, so negative, negative. If we're going positive, we're going this way, so positive. All right. So we have our starting point. Now we need to go negative how many times? 3. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and my answer is 2. So beautiful working out will be equals 2. And that's the end of it. Okay, let's keep going. I'm going to do this one. Rewrite it because it's beautiful working out. This is what I want to see in your books. Plus, minus 4 equals. Now this is the same situation. Notice that these two are different. So that means it's going to be negative. Okay? Which means we're going in this direction again. What's our starting point? Minus 2. So let's go to minus 2. Okay? And we're going left. Remember, we're going negative. Because of this. How many times are we going negative? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is minus 6. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub what's on the number line so we can use it for the next couple of questions. So I'm going to grab my eraser and I'm going to rub all that off. Okay. Let's continue going. Remember, beautiful working out. 1 minus 4 equals. Now we have two minuses. That means it's going to be a plus. Notice that these two are the same, so that means that's positive. Now I'm going to write something up here. If we've got plus and minus, they're different. That will mean that the whole thing is negative. If you've got minus and plus, that means the whole thing is negative. If you've got two pluses together, that they're the same, so that means that's positive. And this situation we have here, if you've got negative and negative, which is what we're dealing in right now, that's going to be positive. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to answer this question. So where are we starting at? The number 1. All right, so let's start at 1 right here. Okay. Now we are adding how much? 4. Okay. Now when we add, we go up the number line. Okay. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's our answer? 5. Okay. All right. Let's do this again. We have the same situation. I'm going to do my beautiful working out. I'm going to rewrite the question in my book. Minus 3 Well, that's two negatives. That means a positive. So I can rewrite a positive number here. Plus, so where am I starting at? Oh, I'm starting at, I thought I was doing something different. -3, -6. So let's go to -6 and let's do a dot. Maybe a red dot will be better. There. And we're adding how much? 3. 1, 2, 3. Our answer is -3 because that's the number there. Okay? Now, that's the lesson for today. If you don't get it, ask questions to your classmates. Ask questions in class. But this should all be in your book. And now you should be doing the questions. All right, hope this helps. Peace out.